Hello and namaskaram andarki. Welcome back to my channel Cook with Manoja Darur. Today we are making a healthy and tasty leafy vegetable dish Amaranthus, also known as Rajgiri. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. While we clean and chop the Amaranthus, I would like to quickly share a few amazing benefits of Amaranthus leaves. These are a true nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They are rich in vitamin A, C and K and also high in iron, calcium and potassium. Plus they are high in fiber and offer many more health benefits. Once you're done chopping the Amaranthus, now take one medium to large sized onion chopped, 4 to 5 green chilies chopped and 4 to 5 garlic cloves crushed. Heat about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and some curry leaves and crushed garlic and saute. Then add the chopped onions and green chilies and saute until the onions turns translucent. Now add the chopped Amaranthus. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. If you find it difficult to mix, you can simply close the lid and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. This will help shrink the leaves and make mixing easier. Now continue mixing every 2 to 3 minutes until all the water evaporates and the leafy vegetable is nicely cooked. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, give it a final mix and cook for another 2 minutes. And that is it. Our healthy and tasty Amaranthus is ready to serve. It tastes amazing with any kind of rotis or rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. Also, please hit that like and subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.